GameSlam presents Ballography. Bird Ball.
Don't look at me, man! Stop eyeballing me! Don't you judge me! I told that freaking seagull to move, but no! That bird brain flew right into my path, man! Right in the way of a 99-mile-an-hour Randy Johnson fastball! What a stupid mother that bird brain son of a bitch! Look out! When it dawned on the bird what was happening, it was too little too late, man! I heard a squawk, and the last thing I saw was that bird's terrified eye. And then splat! Total decimation, man! That bird blew up into bird bits! And now I can't get that bird's eye out of my head, man! Bird off of me! It's always looking at me, judging me, looking at me, judging me, looking at me, judging me, looking at me, judging me! Stop looking at me, man! Stop eyeballing me! Bird eye, man! Bird eye! Bird eye!